with me?
You gotta be over by Eric. Quite the dilemma, isn't it? What do you think you're doing? Are you watching yourself now? Don't know. And just relax.
Okay, come here. Come here. That hurts, doesn't it? It's okay. He didn't mean it. He didn't mean it. He didn't mean it, okay? He didn't mean it.
Alright, Pumpkin? Okay?
Remember me.
What?
Remember me.
Now I can see you. Oh, not anymore. You gotta get in front of the camera. Can you see you now? What are you doing?
What's that little hole right there?
I don't know.
That's kind of like an octagon.
Oh, that's just tells you it's recording.
That's kind of like the octagon.
Is it? An octagon? Yeah, you're right.
Kind of like the octagon.
Yeah, that's right. Watch your hair.
It's okay. He didn't mean it. He just saw it and he grabbed it to hold him balance. He didn't mean it.
No,
No grubby hands on this, Eric.
no,
Sorry, buddy.
Can I look at it now?
Just a minute.